If you could slide a credit card under your door, a scorpion can come in that door. Now think about that for a minute. If we were to seal that up, now that scorpion can't get in the house.
Meet Dave Burns, the owner of Burns Pest Elimination. They've been doing business in the Valley for a long time.
The value is they are taking quality businesses and recognizing them.
He's talking about the Better Business Bureau.
Hey, as a consumer, here are a list of quality businesses. Do business with them, and you don't have some of these other problems of, the door knockers or the fly-by-night guys that are chasing storms, and now they're gone and nobody's there to offer a warranty.
He sees the value in being associated with the Better Business Bureau. And Dave wanted to leave us with some advice to keep those critters away.
So holes in the wall or gaps, caulking or trim that might be falling off or degrading, they allow access for insects.
If you want to get a hold of Burns Pest Elimination, well, just head over to my blog at smartshopperdaphne.com. And don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.